Stuck trying to add your phone number to Discord? Learn how to do it in under 2 minutes without any errors. First, we'll open Discord and navigate to User Settings. Then, we'll add and verify your phone number step by step. First, head over to Discord. Then, click on the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, click on the Account tab on the left. In the Phone Number section, go ahead and click the Add button. Then, select your country code from the drop-down menu. Now, enter your mobile number in the field provided. Click the Send button to receive a verification code. If prompted, complete any human verification to prove you're not a robot. Once you receive the text, enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone. Then, type in your Discord password for confirmation. Finally, click Confirm to finish adding your phone number. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.